Next is properties of scalar product of two vectors. Number one property is scalar product is commutative. इसको हमने पहले ही अभी डिस्कस किया है कि स्केलर प्रोडक्ट इज कम्यूटेटिव. सो ए वेक्टर डॉट बी वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू बी वेक्टर डॉट ए वेक्टर. नाउ सेकेंड इज स्केलर प्रोडक्ट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ओवर एडिशन. सो ये भी हमने अभी डिस्कस की है. सो ए वेक्टर डॉट विद इन ब्रैकेट बी वेक्टर प्लस सी वेक्टर is equal to a vector dot b vector plus a vector dot c vector. Third, if a and b vector are perpendicular to each other, then their scalar product is 0. If the angle between these two vectors is 90, so a vector dot b vector is equal to a b cos theta. We know the angle, if these two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then theta is 90. So we know the cos 90 is 0. So a vector dot b vector is equal to 0. Next, fourth, if a vector and b vector are two parallel vectors having the same direction, then their scalar product has the maximum positive magnitude. So if both vector a and b are parallel with respect to each other, and we know that if two vectors are parallel, then angle between them is 0. So a vector dot b vector is equal to ab cos theta. Put theta is equal to 0 here. We get a vector dot b vector is equal to ab. So this is the maximum positive magnitude. Now fifth is, if a vector and b vector are the two parallel vectors having opposite directions, then their scalar product has the maximum negative magnitude. So a vector dot b vector is equal to a b cos 180 degree. When these two vectors are acting in the opposite direction, we know that the angle between them is 180 degree. So like this, when these two vectors are anti-parallel with respect to each other, then the angle between them is 180 degree. Means अगर एक वेक्टर इधर जा रहा है and other वेक्टर जो है वो इस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, like b vector, so the angle between them is 180 degree. So put theta is equal to 180 here. So we know cos 180 is minus 1. So a vector dot b vector is equal to minus ab. Next is scalar product of vector with itself is equal to square of its magnitude. So here a vector dot a vector means scalar product of both same vectors is equal to magnitude of a vector, magnitude of this a vector, and the angle between the same vector is 0. So cos 0, and the value of cos 0 is 1. So a vector dot a vector is equal to a square. So it can also be written as a vector dot a vector is equal to a square, or it is equal to modulus of a vector square. Next is scalar product of two similar base vectors is a unity. That of two different base vectors is 0. Let us consider we have two same base vectors are I cap and I cap. So I cap dot I cap is equal to, on applying this scalar product formula here, so a vector dot b vector is equal to a vector magnitude b vector magnitude cos of theta. So apply here. So I cap dot I cap is equal to the magnitude of this I cap, magnitude of this I cap, and the angle between the same base vector is again 0. So cos 0, the value of cos 0 is again 1, and we also know that the magnitude of the unit vector is also unity. So I cap dot I cap is equal to the value of this is also 1, the value of this is also 1, the value of this is also 1. So I cap dot I cap is equal to 1. Similarly, j cap dot j cap is equal to 1, k cap dot k cap is equal to 1. So which means that scalar product of two same base vectors is unity. So if base vectors are different, so here scalar product of two base vector which are different is 0. So I cap dot j cap, these are two different base vector. So we know that I cap is the unit vector along x-axis and j cap is the unit vector along y-axis. So we know that x-axis and y-axis, these two axes are mutually perpendicular to each other, and the angle between x and y is 90. So same is the angle between the unit vector I cap and j cap, so the angle between I cap and j cap is also 90 degree. ठीक है, so cos 90 is 0, so I cap dot j cap is equal to magnitude of I cap magnitude of j cap cos 90, value of cos 90 is 0, so I cap dot j cap is equal to 0. So it can also be written as j cap dot I cap, because scalar product is commutative, so a vector dot b vector is equal to b vector dot a vector, so it can also be written as I cap dot j cap or j cap dot I cap is equal to 0. Similarly, j cap dot k cap and k cap dot j cap is 0, k cap dot I cap and I cap dot k cap again equal to 0. Clear? Next is cosine of angle theta between a and b is given by, between a vector and b vector the cosine of angle theta is given by, we know that scalar product of two vector a vector dot b vector is equal to magnitude of a vector magnitude of b vector cos of theta. The value of cos theta from here is a vector dot b vector upon magnitude of a vector magnitude of b vector. So a vector in the component form in the 3 dimension can be written as a vector is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. The magnitude of this a vector is equal to square root of component of I cap, so ax square plus square of component of j cap ay square, square of component of k cap az square. So a is equal to square root of ax square plus ay square plus az square. Similarly for the b vector, so put the value of a vector dot b vector here. What we get? Cos theta is equal to ax bx plus ay by plus here is plus az bz. So जब हम इसकी a वेक्टर डॉट b वेक्टर की वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे, जैसा कि हमने पिछले आर्टिकल में इसको डिस्कस किया है, जब हम a डॉट b की डॉट प्रोडक्ट को सोल्व करेंगे तो हमारे पास ये आता है इन कंपोनेंट फॉर्म में. ठीक है, एंड सिमिलरली द वैल्यू ऑफ a वेक्टर इन मैग्नीट्यूड इज दिस वन and the value of modulus of b vector is this. So in this way we can find out the cosine of angle between a vector and b vector. ये भी अभी हमने लास्ट आर्टिकल में डिस्कस किया कि द स्केलर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स a and b vector is equal to sum of product of their corresponding rectangular components.